We can always put it back on and come back down later.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I thought I was gonna crawl right up it. Yeah, I just had to give her a little power. This is one of the easier lines. It used to be the hard line. You get rid of them leaves. I was trying to just crawl up it, but I think you gotta goose it through there. Yeah, see, it gets kind of steep. Yeah, that's too easy. Too easy. We got slick. It used to go right up this line. Some slick conditions. It is. Damn, might have to work for it. There we go, got a little bite on there.
Now you got a branch in the way.
This line's a little harder here. Big ass rock right there. Oh, there she goes. I think I can get that someday. It's that big hole right there. It makes it tough right there. The big, you gotta kind of hit it up on this side and then work your way over. Whoa. Whoa. We gotta try the old Traxxas line. Might as well come out of the creek. I like that hill too.
Yeah.
Need to tighten my wheels up. I'm sure they're loose by now. I never tightened them up since yesterday. Look how easy that is for the Jeep. It's all right up there. And the old Traxxas line. Damn, it's hard to believe you can make that, ain't it? Uh-huh. Dang, that's a tough line. All these lines of Durling are pretty aggressive. Yeah. There she goes. She's a bad girl. I know, that thing is cool.
You really think you're not gonna make it?
Yeah, then it pulls up. It's so front end heavy too, that helps, I think. Oh, I thought she had her. Oh yeah. Right up that sucker. Yep. So I'm thinking, go back down and try that one I was trying earlier. I don't think there's no climbing none of that. It's all too rough. Uh-oh. A hole there. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I think this line's a little harder because of that big hole right there. Whoa. Seemed like it just crawled right up through there. Oh. Oh. Oof. Little front end damage. Go over here and pick on Jigsaw.
Yeah.
Try that hard line right through the bottom. Right through here. Yeah, that's what I said. I got them. Yeah, I got them stock wheels from this at home. If you ever want to try them, they're 2.2s, a lot higher up, but they don't really have a lot of bite to them. But still, it'd give you a lot more clearance. Yeah, there ain't no way. That's why it's so hard to get through here. Look at that. Nah, hell. If anything, that just kept it from rusting. It ain't gonna make the bolt come loose all of a sudden. Oh yeah, it gets it, but it's hard. Look how aggressive it is. Yeah, I'm sure it was. Those are like a couple bolts on the rig should be Loctited, you know, and that's one of them that constantly moves. So it's a good idea to put Loctite on that one. Whoa. Yeah, it's only. At least it was only a bolt and it wasn't nothing broke, you know. Oh, I had her. If you get in there right, you can get it. Just gonna have to power through it, huh? Yeah, hit it with some speed. Ah, dang it, almost had her. Oh, right there's the line. Uh-oh, bound up on something. I think if you go far right and cut over left, that'd be it. Damn, every time it hits that damn. That's the line right there, though. Damn. Almost had her. Ain't gonna get past that root right there. It's too easy. You know? Yeah, it ain't gonna, it keeps pulling it over there. That's gonna snap an axle right there. I've been in that position before. Yeah, it'll go right up this. That's what makes having the little ascent fun, because I can get that out and it makes everything a little harder. But this thing makes its own lines, you know, new lines. Uh-oh. Yeah, you can get it, but you gotta hit that spot right there where it's low. It's hard to hit that one without flipping it. You gotta hit it almost fast, you know, just hop over it. Oh, I'm gonna roll her here in a minute. Won't grab over it. Gotta get up a little higher, I think. Right about there. Oh man, that was the spot. Not gonna get it. Yeah, I probably could. I don't know if I fit under there or not. The leaves are too deep right there. I had to go up around it. Yeah, it does. Well, where the hell am I gonna be when I'm up there? I don't know. There ain't no way I'm gonna be able to drive it all the way around without being able to see it, you know? I'll be stuck up there somewhere. Come around and do the main line. Oh. Yeah, I love this hill when it's all cleaned off and you see all the rocks all jagged. Yeah. You clean it off. Hell yeah. Let's get out of here, I guess. Look it.